E, D, C, and then ouch! Oops, I touched one. Ah, that hurt. Let's take a look at our notes so we can see what's going on. E, D, C, and then say ouch. And you have to say ouch, otherwise you won't get a free digital high five from me. But you can get one from your parents or grown-ups or friends or siblings. All right, let's go to measure number 2. E, D, C, and then a bigger ouch! Because now you've touched the buns twice. Be careful. And then look at the little notes down here. When they're small, they have to be played quicker. C, 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 C. And count to 4 when you do that. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't play 5. Don't play 3. Don't play a million. And now let's go to D. D, 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 D. And how many D's were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go back to the C's and play 4 C's and 4 D's like that. Here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. And then, thank goodness, back to the safe big notes. E, D, C, and then ouch! Because now we've touched the buns for the 3rd time. We're not supposed to do that. And there aren't 2 dots at the end, but I'd still like to play the song again. So let's go back to the very beginning and repeat after me. E, D, C, and then ouch! And then E, D, C, and then ouch again! And then C, 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 D, 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 D. Then E, D, C, and then ouch! And when you're ready, go on either to the next song or practice this song with the drums until you get it to full speed without any mistakes. And, of course, give yourselves a great big round of applause. Congratulations. And then on the count of 3, you know what we say at the end of class? We say, 1, 2, 3, let's be playful. Bye. Great job.